Hello students, as you all know that I explained you what matrix is, right? And after that I explained you the order of matrix and followed by the types of matrices. Alright? So today we're going to start the first exercise of matrices, that is exercise 3.1. Let us start. Exercise 3.1. So this is exercise 3.1. First question is, the first question is, in the matrix A is equals to 2, 5, 19 minus 7, 2, 5, 19 minus 7, 35, 35 minus 2, 5 by 2 and 12. Root 3, 1 minus 5 and 17. Okay. Write WRIT, write Roman number 1, the order of the matrix. The order of the matrix. Okay. So the answer will be, answer what I say to you. Order of the matrix is nothing but it depends on the number of rows and the number of columns of the matrix. So as I explained you earlier, the horizontal lines are called the rows. So how many horizontal lines are here? 1, 2, 3. So here m is equals to 3. M means number of rows. Okay. Now the vertical lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of columns that is indicated by n is equals to 4. The order of the matrix is basically, order of the matrix is m cross n. So what is m here? It's 3. And what is n here? It's 4. So order of the matrix is 3 cross 4. Hope you understood. So this is the order of the matrix. Okay. So to find the order of the matrix, first of all you must count the number of rows in the matrix and followed by the number of columns. The horizontal lines are called the rows and the vertical lines are called the columns. Is that clear? So by counting we got 3 number of rows here and 4 numbers of columns. So the value of m will be 3 and the value of n will be 4. Then hence the order of the matrix will be m cross n, that is 3 cross 4. Hope you understood. The first question is over. The next one, Roman number 2. Roman number 2. The number of elements. The number of elements. The number of elements in the matrix. It's very simple. Number of elements n. It is denoted by capital letter N. Okay. Is equals to, what is the value of m there? 3. And what is the value of n there? 4. You just multiply these things. Simple multiplication. 3 4 are 12. How come this 3? The number of rows are 3 and the number of columns are 4. So it will be 3 into 4, that is 12. Now we just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the total number of elements in this matrix is 12. Is that clear? Fine. So this is the second question. Now move on to the next one. That is question number, Roman number 3. Write down the elements. Write down the elements. Write down the elements. And what are the elements? A13 and followed by A21. There comes A33 followed by A24 and finally there comes A23. So you need to find the values of the elements positioned in this way. So firstly you're gonna find that elements which is there in the first row and the third column. A जो element को symbolize कर रहा है, this A is symbolizing the element and it is its position. That element lies in the first row and the third column. Now here A13 equal to we are going to find that element which lies on the first row and third column. So this is our first row and this is our third column. So where the two lines intersect, this is the first row, the row and the column intersect at 19. So the element on the first row and the third column will be 19. Similarly, the element on the second row and first column, this is our second row and this is our first column. Check it here. Second row, the first number indicates the position of row and the second number indicates the position of column. So element on the second row and first column. So this is our second row and that is our first column. The row and the column intersect each other at 35. So the value of A21 will be 35. Thirdly, we're going to find A33. That is element on the third row and third column. First row, second row, this is our third row, yeah, and third column. Third row and first, second, third column. Third row and third column intersect at -5, so it will be -5. Hope you understood, yeah. And after 33, there comes A24. A24 is element on the second row and the fourth column. Second row, yeah. This is our first row. This goes second row and fourth column. First column, second column, third column, fourth column. Second row and fourth column. The row and column intersect at 12, so it will be 12. And finally, there comes second row and third column. Second row and third column. This is second row and that is our third column. So it will be 5, 2. All right. तो यहाँ पे क्या find out करो बोला हमें? What to find? You need to find the value of the elements position on the first row and third column. So check it here. This is first row and that is third column. So I directly went to what? The first row. And which column? Third column. First column, second column, third column. So first row and third column, the row and the column intersect at 19. So the value of A13. That means the element present on the first row and third column will be 19. Similarly, that element present on the second row and the first column is 35. Element present on the third row and third column is -5. Element present on the second row and the fourth column is 12. And element present on the second row and third column is 5 by 2. Hope you understood. Yeah? Fine. Move on to the next question now. The next question is what to do. Question number 2. Question number 2. If a matrix has 24 elements, if a matrix has 24 elements, how many elements? 24 elements, comma. What are the possible orders it can have? What are the possible orders? What are the possible orders it can have? Question mark. What if it has 13 elements? One more question is there. What if it has 13 elements? So basically there are two questions. The first one is a matrix is given to us. A matrix is given to us comprising of how many elements? 24 elements. Okay. Suppose if I give you 24 elements and I just ask you to design different types of matrices of different orders, then how many possible orders we can design by using 24 elements? Firstly, we need to find that. Okay. After that, suppose if the question gives you 13 elements. How many elements? 13 elements. Then how many possible orders can have? So firstly, we're going to find the first part. Better you write here solution case 1. Case 1, total number of elements, total number of elements is equals to 24. Okay. Now, to find the possible orders of a given matrix, you must follow the prime factorization rule. So, what is prime factorization? Go for it. 1 into 24 is 24, 2 into 12 is 24, 3 into 8 is 24, 4 into 6 is 24, again 6 into 4 is 24, 8 into 3 is 24, 12 into 2 is 24, 24 into 1 is 24. So basically you just count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 orders. How many orders it can have? 8 orders. यहाँ पे देखो टोटल नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स 24 था, तो मुझे ढूंढना था by using 24 elements how many different orders I can arrange for a given matrix. So by following the prime factorization rule, first of all I started with 1. 1 into 24 is 24, 2 into 12 is 24, 3 into 8 is 24, 4 into 6 is 24. Likewise, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 orders. Now, what it indicates? You can design these 24 elements in a single row, but in 24 columns. Okay? Just a single row. You just write 1, 2, 3, 4 kind of 24. Secondly, you can design 2 rows. First row and second row. Each row consists how many elements? 12. 12 here, 12 there. So, 12 here, 12 there, makes it 12 columns. How many columns? 2 rows and how many columns? 12 columns. So, it is 2 into 12. 3 into 8. You can manage 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. Each row consists how many elements? 8 elements. So, there will be 8 columns. 3 rows and 8 columns. 4 rows and 6 columns, 6 rows and 4 columns, 8 rows and 3 columns, 12 rows and 2 columns, 24 rows and 1 column. Yeah. So, but if there are 24 elements available to you and you are supposed to design matrices of different orders, then you can arrange the given elements in these 8 orders. How many orders? 8 orders. Case number 2. What is case number 2? Case number 2, total number of elements is equals to 13. Now, as we know, 13 is a prime number. It just has 2 factors. One is 1 itself, and 13 is the 13th number, the number itself. What I mean to say, 13 is a prime number, so a prime number only have 2 factors, the number itself and 1. So you just go like this, 1 into 13, the second one is 13 into 1. So it can have 2 orders. How many orders? 2 orders. Hope you understood how to find the orders, right? You just count the total number of elements present in the matrix, go for the prime factorization method, accordingly you get the order. Here I got 8 orders, there I got what? 2 orders. Is that clear? Fine. Okay. Then, the next one. Question number 3. Question number 3. Okay. Question number 3 is similar to question number 1. Now, listen very carefully, okay? Question number 3 is similar to question number 1. That's why this is your assignment or homework, whatever. You just try it by yourself and send it to my WhatsApp number, whether you are correct or not. I'll check that. Okay? Fine. Now question number 4. Question number 4. What is question number 4? Construct a 2 cross 2 matrix. Construct a 2 cross 2 matrix. Construct a 2 cross 2 matrix. A is equals to Aij, whose elements are WHOSE, whose elements elements are given by Aij is equals to I plus j whole square divided by 2. This is Roman number 1. Roman number 2 is Aij is equals to I by j, and Roman number 3 is Aij is equals to I plus 2j whole square by 2. Alright? So, listen very carefully. I gonna design a matrix of Roman number 1 and Roman number 2 and Roman number 3 are your homeworks. Is that clear? Okay. Solution. Now, read the question very carefully. Construct a 2 cross 2 matrix. 2 cross 2 matrix. What it indicates? You are going to design a matrix in which there should be 2 rows and 2 columns. How many rows? 2 rows. And how many columns? 2 columns. Let Roman number 1, okay? Let matrix A is equals to, there must be 2 rows and 2 columns. Okay? As I explained you earlier, the symbol of an element is A, okay? And its position is, this element lies on the first row and the first column, so it will be A11. First row and second column will be A12. Second row and first column, that will be A21. Second row and second column, that will be A22. तो ये जो Aij दिया गया है, इसको लेके कंफ्यूज मत होना. ये जनरलाइज करके एक सिंबॉलिक वे में दिया हुआ है, क्योंकि 2 cross 2 मैट्रिक्स बोला गया था. Since the question asked us to design a 2 cross 2 matrix, so I draw 2 rows and 2 columns, and as per the indication मैंने positioning करते गया. Here the value of I is 1 because it lies on the first row. Again the value of j is also 1 because it lies on the first column. Similarly, here the value of I is 1 because it lies on the first row, but it lies on the second column, so the value of j will be 2. Here the value of I will be 2 because it lies in the second row, and the value of j will be 1 because it lies in the first column. And there the value of I will be 2 and the value of j will be 2. ये मैंने दिखाया आप लोगों को डिजाइन करके. इसको ऐसे नहीं लिखना है, सिंपल. अभी कैसे लिखेंगे इसको? How to write? You just write here A11, A12, A21, then A22. Alright. Now this is 1, 2. 2 rows, 1, 2. 2 columns, 2 cross 2. Now you need to find the values of each element as per the indication. What is the indication there in the Roman number 1? Like this. Now Aij is equals to I plus j whole square by 2. Therefore, firstly I am going to find the value of A11. A11. What is I here? 1. What is j there? 1. So instead of I am going to put there 1. For j also I am going to put there 1. Divided by 2. 1 plus 1, 2 square. 4. 4 by 2 is 2. A12 is, what is I here? 1. What is j here? 2. So it will be 1 plus 2 whole square by 2. 1 plus 2, 3 square. 9 by 2. A21. What is I here? 2. What is j there? 1. So instead of this I am going to put there 2. For that j I am going to put there 1. Okay, by 2. It will be 9 by 2. And finally A22. What is I here? What is I here? 2. What is j here? 2. So it will be 2 plus 2 whole square by 2. 2 plus 2, 4 square. 16 by 2, that is 8. Therefore, matrix A is equals to, now you just place the values. What is the value of A11? It's 2. For A11, I can write down 2. What is the value of A12? It's 9 by 2. For that A12, I can put there 9 by 2. For A21, I got the value as 9 by 2, so it will be 9 by 2. For A22 I got the value as 8, so it will be 8. This is matrix A. This much for today. मैंने रोमन नंबर 1 कर दिया, आपको रोमन नंबर 2 एंड रोमन नंबर 3 होमवर्क करना है. थैंक यू वेरी मच.